Paraluman, an instrument containing a magnetized pointer which shows the direction of magnetic north and bearings from it. In a sentence, gamitin mo ang paraluman para hindi ka maligaw at para malaman mo ang tamang direksyon. Tala arawan, a chart or a series of pages showing the day, week, and the month of a particular year. In a sentence, anak, pakitignan niya ang tala arawan kung Sabado na ba bukas. Kagaw, a microorganism, especially one which cause disease. In a sentence, huwag ka maglaro sa labas, baka makakuha ka ng kagaw at magkasakit ka pa.